The tips in this video can help you save money on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. It won't be as easy as it may sound, and there will be some unforeseen circumstances, but adopting good saving habits can help you find your way out whenever you come across those circumstances. Number 1. Track your expenses. Before you get started on your saving plan, you need to track your expenses. Everybody has a set number of expenses that they incur every month. Additionally, other expenses occur on a situational basis. You need to keep a record of both expenses by entering them into your budget sheet or application. By recording your utility bills, groceries, fuel expenses and other bills, you will be aware of exactly where your money is going. Continue to do this for an entire month to better understand where your money is going, and then you can decide the areas from which you can cut your expenses. Number 2. Compare prices. Most importantly, you should always do a comparative price check when you go shopping. If you are unaware of the average prices charged for items, then you may end up paying high prices. It will take up some of your time, but it's worth it in the long run when you're saving money. Also, keep an eye out for discount offers and seasonal sales. This can be a great money-saving opportunity. Number 3. Stop relying on your credit card. It's way too easy to swipe a card, even if you don't have the cash. To avoid overspending on a card, try to stop relying on your credit cards. Whenever you go out for some shopping, carry only the cash that you will need. That way you will be automatically driven to stay on your budget and ignore the impulse to make unnecessary purchases. Number 4. Use a separate bank account for savings. The amount you save every month should be kept in a separate bank account. Keeping the savings in a separate account will make it that much harder to accidentally spend it. You will see how much money you can actually save once you start using this method. Number 5. Carry a list. Always take a list along with you whenever you shop for groceries. When you carry a list, you won't be tempted to pick up random stuff that you may not need at that moment. You will also know if you are going off your grocery list or forgetting anything. Also, don't shop when you are hungry. You will be more likely to buy foods you wouldn't normally purchase.